meron ako nakita dito. Parang mga food vendors. Bihira lang to dito eh. So check natin kung anong mga tinitinda nila. What's that, man?
I have everything sold out. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I have apple cake and a lemonade left.
Okay. Thank you.
Sorry about this.
Okay, no worries. Pretzel.
Yeah, I'll just get that one.
Butter tart? Sorry, walnut?
Chicken. Oh, itong mga gulay. Gabi. Gabi ba yun?
Okay.
Okay, man.
Yep.
See ya.
All right.
I'm gonna try this.
Okay.
I'm gonna try this one.
Yeah.
Try natin to. Medyo nagugutom na rin ako eh.
There you go. How are you? You too.
What's that?
Pardon?
What is this?
Rhubarb.
Oh. Thank you, ladies.
Have a good day.
Have a good day too. Sarado na sila. Ganyan lang yan. Saglit lang sila dito. Minsan mag-i-start sila umaga. Tapos mga gantong oras, alis na yan. Very early. Napakabihira lang dito. Kaya kapag meron mga ganito dito, dinadayo na. Croissant. Check natin tong honey.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you today?
Good. Is it a real honey?
Yes, the real honey. It's wildflower honey, so it's all of it is just wildflower honey. I don't know variety honey. Yeah.
So all of this is natural.
Yeah, all natural, raw, unpasteurized.
Okay. I'm gonna try this one.
Sure.
How much for the big one?
Sorry?
Oh,
That one,
25.
25.
This one.
That one?
Yeah.
So not the smaller one, yeah?
No, this one. The big one only.
Yeah.
Approve.
So let me know if that charge or
Yeah.
something didn't clear out, okay?
Perfect.
From my
Perfect.
hives. I have hives.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I saw it.
You
Thank you.
have a great day.
Have a great day too.